Hi, I'm Max Miller, and today I'm here at Laguna Tools with the new SmartShop M. I'm going to show you a quick tip on how to touch off your tools and how to set your Z origin on this machine. All right, so what I'm going to do is move it in the Y positive direction until it's near the tool touch off in the back of the machine. The next thing I'm going to do is press and hold menu and then click the tool set button. So hold menu, hit tool set, and then release. That's going to begin the tool touch off procedure. Now I'm going to press the Y negative button to bring it back a little bit from that position. And to switch to the next tool, I'll hit tool switch up at the top. And then you can scroll through this menu by hitting the Y positive and Y negative buttons. So I'll go down one, hit OK, and it's going to grab the next tool. Now that it has the second tool, I'm going to repeat the same process. I'm going to hold menu and hit tool set, then release. Now it's very important. You can also press tool set and it will be looking as though it were doing the same process. However, it will not remember where that tool is relative to the other tools. So whenever you're using multiple tools, remember to hit menu first, hold menu, hit tool set, then release. Otherwise, you're not going to be doing the same thing. All right, so I've touched off my second tool. You could continue that procedure until you had completed all 8 tools. This is the same controller as on the IQ Pro actually, so if you've been using an IQ Pro, it would be the same process, just that you only have 3 tools to work with. So the next thing I'm going to do is bring the tool over to my material and touch it off to the material, right? All the tools know where they are relative to each other, but they don't know what the Z0 position is in your file. So you want to set this up to match that. If your file is on the bottom of the material, make sure you touch off to the bottom of the material. Top of the material, make sure that you touch off to the top. Don't mix and match. Now what I'm going to do is press negative Z, and we're going to bring it down to the material. There's a fast, slow button here to jog between 2 modes. So you can see now I'm moving slower. And just going to bring it down there until I can't spin it anymore. And that looks like the Z0 position. Now I'll hit the button Z0 here, and that marks this as my origin in the Z direction. So while you're touching off your tool, you'll probably want to raise the dust hood up so that you can see the position of the tool. The way that you do that is to click menu, scroll down to input output control user interface, and then in the output states, which you can scroll through X and Y direction, you're going to want to go to 06, and then in order to engage it, hit run pause delete to raise and lower that dust hood. So that's how you're going to touch off your tools and set your Z origin on the SmartShop M by Laguna. Thanks for watching.